Current affairs, September month of 2020. Okay, first of all, we will cover the awards of the September month 2020. Okay, the first one is Sudha Pinoli from Eklavya Model Residential Schools, Dehradun, won the National Award to Teachers 2020 among 47. Okay, and Dutch author Marika Lucas Rijneveld, Netherlands, won the International Booker Prize 2020 for her debut novel The Discomfort of Evening. Okay, this is an important prize, International Booker Prize. Okay, this prize goes to Marika Lucas Rijneveld for 2020. Next is Hyderabad Neelkantha Bhanu Prakash. Okay, this is the human computer. Okay, who beat the record of Shakuntala Devi. I hope you have seen the movie of Shakuntala Devi. Okay, Hyderabad's Neelkantha Bhanu Prakash has bagged gold medal in Mental Calculations World Cup by Mindsports Olympiad. He has beaten Shakuntala Devi and Scott Flansburgh. Okay, first ever Pallikuttam National Award for Innovation in Education instituted by Rajagiri Media has been won by St. Christopher School, Chesur, Nagaland. Okay, Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport won National Energy Leader and Excellent Energy Efficient Units Award by CIIGBC. Next, Swachh Sarvekshan Award 2020. Okay, Indore from Madhya Pradesh won the first prize with 10 lakh plus population and second award bagged by Surat. Okay, in Gujarat. Okay, I think Indore has bagged this award fourth time in a row. Karad, Maharashtra. Okay, below 10 lakh population. Okay, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, mega city, 40 lakh plus population. Shahjahanpur, UP, maximum citizen participation award. Chhattisgarh, cleanest state with more than 100 cities. Jharkhand, cleanest state with less than 100 cities. Varanasi of UP, cleanest Ganga town. Okay. Then next is Ratan Tata won the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce Lifetime Achievement Award for his business relation India and USA. Okay. NTPC won IIMA Chanakya National Management Games 2020. NTPC Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Okay, David Attenborough. This is also an important award. David Attenborough is awarded Indira Gandhi Peace Prize, BBC National History Unit. Then next is Margaret Atwood won the 2020 Dayton Literary Peace Prize Lifetime Achievement Award. Next is Chef Vikas Khanna. He is the most prominent chef in India. Chef Vikas Khanna honored with Asia Game Changer Award 2020 Kitchens of Gratitude. Okay, next is these things which I have written in red, these are the tricks. Okay, if you know the language, these are Punjabi language. Okay, एशिया दी किचन च विकास सर खाना खा रहे हैं, ठीक है. दैट दीज आर ऑल माई ट्रिक्स. ओके, टू रिमेंबर दी current affairs for a long time so that I can retain for a longer time. Okay, PM Modi awarded IG Nobel Prize 2020 for medical education, Atal Bihari Vajpayee earlier. Next is Udit Singhal named in 2020 class of 17 young leaders for sustainable development goals. Okay, he is the founder of Glass to Sand. Okay, Telangana CM KCR. KCR stands for K Chandrasekhar Rao. Honors poet Ramachandra Murli with Kaloji Narayan Rao Literary Award. Sonu Sood has been conferred the prestigious SDG Special Humanitarian Award by UNDP. Okay, Sonu Sood in real life is a hero, but in movie, in silver screen, he acts as a villain. Okay, next is Usha Mangeshkar honored with Lata Mangeshkar Award 2020-21. Kerala Tourism Human by Nature print campaign bagged PATA Award. Pacific Asia Travel Association Grand Award 2020 for marketing. Kerala Tourism. Okay, PATA Award. Next is Patanjali Jha, Income Tax Chief Commissioner. Okay, these are the appointments. Okay, in September 2020, Patanjali Jha appointed as the Income Tax Chief Commissioner. Next is Bansilal Bhatt and NCLAT NCLAT Chairperson. Avik Sarkari, Press Trust of India Chairman. Okay, new Chairman of the Press Trust of India is Avik Sarkar. Okay, Vinod Kumar Yadav, CEO of Railway Board. Okay, his period is extended for a further time, I think due to corona virus or COVID-19. Okay, the next is Rajiv Kumar Srivastava, Ambassador to Croatia. Okay, the capital of Croatia is Zagreb and Kuna, dinar. These are the Kuna, I think, is the currency of Croatia. Okay, Usha Padhi, first woman DG of BCAS, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Neena Malhotra, Ambassador to Italy, San Marino. Harivansh Narayan Tripti, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay, Amarpali Kata, Deputy Secretary in PMO. Okay, Prime Minister Office, Amarpali Kata, Deputy Secretary. Rajat Sood, MD of Energy Efficient Services Limited. PD Waghela, Chairman of TRAI, Telecom Regulatory of India. Okay. Shekhar Kapoor, Chairman of Film and Television Institute of India. Shekhar Kapoor. Devyani Uttam Khabrogadi, Ambassador to Cambodia. Okay. M.A. Ganapati, Director General of BCAS, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. M.A. Ganapati. Okay. Anil Dhasmana, Chief of NTRO. NTRO stands for National Technical Research Organization. Okay. Next is Kerala Startup Entry signs up Robin Thappa as brand ambassador. You know about Robin Thappa, he is the batsman of Indian team. Okay. Jack Callis, Zahir Abbas and Lisa Sthalekar, Australia. Okay, inducted into ICC Hall of Fame in 2020. Okay. The recent induction of Indian player is Sachin Tendulkar in 2019. Okay. I hope six cricketers are inducted in ICC Hall of Fame in India till 2019. Okay, in 2020, Jack Callis from South Africa is the very nice all-rounder. Zahir Abbas from Pakistan and Lisa Sthalekar, she is the women cricketer, okay, from Australia. These all three are inducted in ICC Hall of Fame in 2020. Australian all-rounder Cameron White has retired. Okay, he is the very nice batsman. Okay, Indian table tennis star Polomi Ghatak retired. She belongs to West Bengal. Japanese badminton player Ayaka Takahashi retires. Okay, first gold medalist. She is the first gold medalist from Japan. Okay, Ayaka Takahashi. Sri Lankan batsman Tharanga Pranavitana retires. Tharanga Pranavitana from Sri Lanka. Hockey player Ishika Chaudhary has been awarded Eklavya Award by Madhya Pradesh. Hockey player Ishika Chaudhary. Okay, Dwayne Bravo from West Indies become first bowler to scalp 500 wickets in T20 cricket. Okay, I think you know about the Dwayne Bravo from West Indies. He is a good all-rounder. German golfer Sofia Popov won Women's British Open. UP Major Dhyanchand Vijaypeeth Yojana road connectivity to 19 international players of UP like Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, Praveen Kumar, Piyush Chawla and Mohammad Kaif. Okay, they will build roads to their homes from the main highway. Okay, this is the initiative by UP government. Yogi Adityanath is the CM of UP. Okay, sports brand Sport of named Dwayne Bravo as its first cricket ambassador. Dwayne Bravo, who scored 500 wickets in T20 cricket. He is appointed as the cricket ambassador of Subotop. Okay, Indian Grandmaster P. Inian has won the 48th annual World Open online chess tournament. India and Russia joint winners of FIDE Online Chess Olympiad 2020. Akash Educational Services roped in Yuvraj Singh as its brand ambassador. Akash Institute, okay, you know, which prepares the student for the IIT, JEE mains and medical NEET exams. Okay, Pierre Gasly from Italy. Pierre Gasly Scuderia AlphaTauri from France won the Italy Grand Prix 2020. Okay. Ian Bell, from England, retired from the international cricket. Okay, he's the nice batsman from England. Anil Jain, President of All India Tennis Association. Okay, President of All India Tennis Association, new President Anil Jain. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and Samriti Mandhana became the brand ambassador of Players Spot. Okay, Samriti Mandhana, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is the bowler of Indian team and Samriti Mandhana is the woman cricketer. She is the left-handed batsman. Okay, US Open 2020. Okay, hard surface. US Open is played on the hard surface and Dominic Thiem from male. Okay, Australia. He won the championship of US Open and US Open from female category. Naomi Osaka from Japan won this. Okay, Paytm first games roped in Sachin Tendulkar as its brand ambassador. You know about god of cricket Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, he is now the incumbent Rajya Sabha member. Okay, he is appointed by the president. Okay, 12 members out of 245 were appointed by president from the various fields who have achieved markable glory in any kind of field. 9 Stacks Poker roped in Suresh Raina as its brand ambassador. Okay, 9 Stacks. Okay, Italian Open Novak Djokovic from men category from Serbia and Simona Halep from Romania won the female category Italian Open. Okay, singles. These are all winners of singles category. Okay, Australian cricketer Ashleigh Barty won Brookwater Gold Golf Club Championship. Ashleigh Barty. Okay, she is the very nice cricketer, tennis player and golf player. Alyssa Healy, Australia breaks MS Dhoni's T20 wicket keeping record. Alyssa Healy from Australia. Okay, she is the very nice wicket keeper. Okay, Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes, Great Britain. He Okay, he drives the cars of Mercedes and he is from Great Britain. Won the Formula One Tuscan Grand Prix 2020 held at Mugello Circuit, Italy. And Valtteri Bottas, Mercedes from Finland, won the Formula One Russian Grand Prix Australian. Okay. Deepika Padukone, now personalities. Okay, Deepika Padukone will endorse ethnic brand Milange by Lifestyle. Deepika Padukone. Pro Dart Computer Accessories signed Rajat Kapoor as its brand face. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited has roped in Ayushman Khurrana as its brand ambassador. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, Ayushman Khurrana. Okay. UNICEF, United Nations Children Fund, New York appointed. New York is the headquarter of United Nations Children Fund. Okay. Ayushman Khurrana is appointed as its celebrity advocate for Every Child campaign. Paresh Rawal, chairman of National School of Drama. New chairman of National School of Drama is Paresh Rawal. Okay. Arvind's brand Arrow roped in Hrithik Roshan as brand ambassador. Arvind's brand Arrow roped in Hrithik Roshan as brand ambassador. Akshay Kumar will endorse Berger Paints under Home Shield brand. Akshay Kumar will endorse Berger Paints under Home Shield brand. Chaitanya Tamhane bags Best Screenplay Award at Venice International Film Festival for The Disciple. Chaitanya Tamhane bags Best Screenplay Award at Venice International Film Festival for The Disciple. Okay. Disciple short film movie, I think. Yes. Amazon signs Amitabh Bachchan for its Alexa voice assistant. AAA. You have to remember this. Amazon signs Amitabh Bachchan for its Alexa voice assistant. Okay. Personal computer brand Acer roped in Sonu Sood as its brand ambassador. Acer Sonu Sood. Khushi Chandalia, 17 years old, appointed as regional ambassador for India by UNEP Environment Program Tunza. She is from Surat. Okay. Dakar, now overseas news. Okay. Dakar Francisco Obama Ossi is the new Prime Minister of Equatorial Guinea. Okay. The currency of Equatorial Guinea is franc and Malabo is the capital. Okay. Keith Chris Rowley, PM of Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago is near the West Indies. Okay. Port of Spain is the capital and dollar is the currency. Okay. Australia appointed Matthew Hayden as Lisa Singh as trade advice to India. Matthew Hayden, left-handed batsman of Australian cricket. Okay. At the time of Ricky Ponting and Adam Gilchrist. Adam Gilchrist and Matthew Hayden both were openers of the Australian cricket team. Okay. Yoshihide Suga, Prime Minister of Japan. Yoshihide Suga is new Prime Minister of Japan. Okay. Ismail Torohama, President of Bougainvillea. Okay. PNG, near PNG, Bukka Island. Okay. PNG, Papua New Guinea. Okay. Bukka Island. Papua New Guinea is Bukka Island. Okay. Mohammed Hussein Robel, Prime Minister of Somalia, Mogadishu. Okay. Mokhtar Ouane, Prime Minister of Mali. Okay. Bishr Al Khazavneh, Prime Minister of Jordan. Prime Minister of Jordan. Okay. Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed Al Sabah, new Emir of Kuwait. Okay. He's the leader. Emir means leader. Okay. Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed Al Sabah is the new Emir of Kuwait. For example, in case of India and other countries, President and Prime Minister. But in case of Kuwait, the first person of the country is known as Emir. Okay. Kolkata-based real estate developer Bengal PLS Housing Development roped in Saurav Ganguly as its brand ambassador. Okay. Saurav Ganguly is from Bengal. Okay. Housing Development roped in. Okay. RBI roped in Amitabh Bachchan for customer awareness campaign to prevent from being duped from fraudsters. RBI roped in Amitabh Bachchan for customer awareness campaign. Okay. C8 Tires. Okay. C8 Tires of Rama Prasad Goenka Group roped in Amir Khan as its brand ambassador. Amir Khan, C8 Tires. Okay. He will endorse the C8 Tires by launching some kind of advertisements. Okay. Vinay Tonse, MD and CEO of SBI Mutual Fund. Vinay Tonse, banking terms. Okay. Now, SBI General Insurance launched Shagun Gift and insurance policy, accident policy gift to anyone. HDFC Bank and Adobe partners to enhance digital customers experiences. HDFC Bank and Adobe partners to enhance digital customer experiences. S. Krishnan, MD and CEO of Punjab and Sindh Bank. S. Krishnan, MD and CEO of Punjab Sindh Bank. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance launched voice chatbot Lego on Google Assistant. ICICI Bank launched Home Utsav, offers attractive interest rates and property exhibition. ICICI Lombard General Insurance and Bharti AXA General Insurance merger. Bharti AXA has partnered with SBI Mauritius. Okay. These are the all three news from the ICICI. Murli Ramakrishnan, MD and CEO of South Indian Bank. Okay. The headquarters of South Indian Bank in Thrissur. Sashidhar Jagdishan, CEO of HDFC Bank. Sashidhar Jagdishan, HDFC Bank. Okay, earlier I think he was Aditya Puri, I think. Now Sashidhar Jagdishan. Okay, businesses with an annual turnover of up to rupees 40 lakh are exempted from GST. Okay, 40 lakh are exempted from GST, goods and services taxes. Bank of India launched Signature Visa debit card for high net worth individuals, rupees 10 lakh plus quality. Okay, ICICI Bank introduced iStartup 2.0 to cater the needs of startups and entrepreneurs. Okay, ICICI Bank introduced iStartup 2.0 to cater the needs of startups and entrepreneurs. Okay, Flipkart and Bajaj Alliance launched cyber insurance cover digital Suraksha Group Insurance. Flipkart and Bajaj Alliance launched cyber insurance cover digital Suraksha Group Insurance. Bank of Baroda tops East 2.0 index by IBA Enhanced Access and Services Excellence. Okay. SBI to launch Safal, Safe and Fast Agriculture Loan Scheme for cotton growers. Jane Fraser, first female CEO of Citigroup New York. MD of HDFC Aditya Puri, okay, has been conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award by Euromoney 2020. Rajesh Khuller, Executive Director at World Bank. Rajesh Khuller, okay. ADB Bank, Asian Development Bank appointed Takio Konish as Director for India. Samir Khade, Executive Director of Asia Development Bank. Okay, the headquarters of Asian Development Bank is Manila, Philippines. Okay, RBI appoints A.K. Dixit as new Administrator of Punjab and Maharashtra Bank. A.K. Dixit, Punjab and Maharashtra Bank. HDFC and Yes Bank entered into partnership to sell insurance policies. HDFC Life plus Yes Bank. Okay, Simanchala Das, new advisor to Executive Director of IMF, International Monetary Fund. Okay, the headquarters of IMF in Washington DC. Yes, huh. Okay, SBI General Insurance Inc. corporate agency agreement with Yes Bank. Okay, Yes Bank tie up with Bombay Stock Exchange to empower small business companies. Next is IITs and defense category. Okay, Indira Navy, India and Russia, Bay of Bengal. Indira Navy is the exercise. I think it is a naval defense exercise between India and Russia. Naval exercise. This is conducted in Bay of Bengal. IIT Delhi launched Chakra D Cube to decontaminate the N95 masks. Okay, DRDO successfully test fires Shaurya and Abhyas from Balasore on Odisha coast. Okay, Indian Navy conducts passage exercise PASSEX with Royal Australian Navy in East Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Railway has signed an MOU with IIT Kanpur for Railway Research and Development Center. GMEX is also a defense exercise between India and Japan. Maritime exercise, naval exercise. Okay, maritime in Arabian Sea, conducted in Arabian Sea. Okay, GMEX, India and Japan. Shivangi Singh from Varanasi, UP, become the first woman Rafale fighter pilot. Okay, BrahMos is a surface-to-surface supersonic 2.8 Mach speed cruise missile successfully flight tested from Balasore, coast of Odisha. IIT Madras developed Moshik microprocessor for Internet of Things IoT devices. Shakti and Vega are the earlier launched by the IIT Madras. Okay, Madras, Moshik and microprocessor. Okay. Indian Coast Guard vessel Karnaklata Barua commissioned at Kolkata, Sarthak in Goa by Indian Coast Guard. Okay, this is the another Sarthak in Goa and Karnaklata Barua in Kolkata. DRDO. Okay, the chairman of DRDO is Satish Reddy and its headquarters in New Delhi. DRDO. Okay, successfully test fired surface-to-surface Shaurya missile at Balasore, Odisha off coast. Okay, Abhyas is also launched by DRDO. Okay, Banko Sagar Navy India plus Bangladesh in Bay of Bengal. It is also a Navy exercise. Okay, defense exercise between India and Bangladesh. Banko Sagar. Bango stands for Bangladesh. Okay, Mad Dude, now ministries. Okay, Mad Boat medical trolley remote control developed by the railways to deliver food and medicine to COVID-19 patients. Mad Boat. Okay, Mission Karmayogi is the national program for civil services capacity building, and rupees 510 crore is allocated for this mission. Okay, Jal Shakti Ministry launched Water Heroes Share Your Stories contest, rupees 10,000 award in cash to the winner. Okay, Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister, set up Shekatkar Committee, 3-member committee to review the effective utilization of armed forces headquarters civil services. Mansukh Mandavia, the Shipping Minister of Union Cabinet, has launched a dispute redressal mechanism, Sarod Ports. Sarod stands for Society for Affordable Redressal of Dispute Ports. Harsimrat Kaur Badal from Bathinda, Punjab resigned and Narendra Singh Tomar has been given the additional charge of food processing ministry. Narendra Tawar is the agriculture and rural minister of Indian Union cabinet. Okay, India and Denmark signs MOU, memorandum of understanding on intellectual property cooperation. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. It is the European country. Okay, South Eastern Railway Kolkata launched a project Operation My Saheli Mamata Banerjee to enhance security of women passengers. Gujarat signed MOU with Denmark in water sector. PM Modi launched Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana and e-Gopala application Fish on Wheels. IMD Global Smart City Index, Hyderabad ranked 55th, Singapore topped. This is the top among Indian cities. Okay, India Happiness Report 2020 ranking, Mizoram first, Punjab second and Andaman Nicobar third. Okay, Jitendra Singh, Northeastern, the Ministry of Personal and Northeastern Region Development released a coffee table book discovering the heritage of Assam written by Padampani Bora. Mohua, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, this portfolio is given to Hardeep Singh Puri. Okay, signed an MOU with Swiggy. Okay, to take street food vendors online under PM Swanidhi scheme. Indian built Sittwe port in Myanmar to be operational in 2021. Rakhine state of Myanmar. Sittwe is in Rakhine state of Myanmar. Okay. India become member of ECOSOC Economic and Social Council from 2021 to 2025. Hindustan Organic Chemical Limited get Bureau of Indian Standard certification for all its products. Kochi, Kerala. Piyush Goyal gets additional charge of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food Public Distribution along with Railway and Commerce Industry. Okay. Piyush Goyal. On the expiry of Ramvilas Paswan. Okay. CDAC to commission India's fastest supercomputer Param Siddhi Artificial Intelligence. Okay. Now states. Tamil Nadu appoints India's first ever woman ambulance driver M. Veera Lakshmi. Assam launched first newspaper for kids, The Young Minds, launched by Neelam Sethia and Neha Bajaj. Kerala best performing state according to Young Child State Report launched by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Kerala highest literacy rate in India. Patrika Gate, Jaipur, Rajasthan, inaugurated by PM Modi. Meghalaya launched India's largest piggery mission. Hubballi railway station in Karnataka to be renamed as Shri Siddharudha Swami Ji Railway Station. Karnataka CM B.S. Yedurappa inaugurated the Veer Savarkar flyover in Bengaluru. Haryana launched Aapka Mitra chatbot for undergraduate courses. Odisha launched Garima scheme for sanitation workers. Aims at Darbhanga, Bihar under Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, rupees 1264 crore is allocated for that project. Okay, Andhra Pradesh launched YSR Sampurna Prashana scheme to provide nutritious foods to pregnant women and lactating women. YSR is the initial name of the YSR Jagan Mohan Reddy, the CM of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Golden Temple Amritsar got FCRA registration, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Gujarat topped the Export Preparedness Index 2020 released by Niti Aayog. Okay, Pang Labsol festival celebrated in Sikkim. Pang Labsol in Sikkim. Okay, Dalle Khulsani chilli is given GI tag to Sikkim. Okay, Dalle Khulsani chilli, Sikkim got GI tag for this. Rajasthan launched Moksha Kalash Yojana 2020 to allow free bus travel to 2 members of deceased family to immerse ashes in Ganga, Haridwar. Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal launched the Mukhyamantri Gramya Parivahan Achoni Yojana to launch light motor vehicle services in all villages. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Ghar Tak Fiber scheme in Bihar. Okay. Gujarat launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana to provide free interest-free loan to women. Okay. Karnataka launched Arthika Spandana loan disbursal program. Kerala won United Nations Interagency Task Force Award for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases 2020. Uttar Pradesh launched Unified Portal URISE and implemented National Education Policy 2020. Okay, these are the current affairs of September month of 2020. Okay, and in October 2020 I will launch the video in a few days. Okay, thank you.